So today's going to be kind of an interesting day because it is one of the first places I went to when I got to Guam, and I think one of my buddies took me there a long time ago. But it's really interesting because I've been wanting to show you guys this place for a long time now, and the reason I haven't been able to show you guys is because it was taken down. So it's kind of exciting now because I might be able to show you it today. So I'm actually going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So check it out.
Woo! There you go.
So guys, this is the notorious Guam rope swing. It is the biggest rope swing on the island, hands down. It also might be the biggest rope swing I've ever even seen. It hangs from like this cliff. It's like 70 or 80 feet tall. It's awesome. It's a really fun rope swing. It's super dangerous. That's why it was actually taken down by the Coast Guard like almost a year ago now. And no one has hung it back up until now. So we're gonna go check it out today. Make sure it's still safe. Make sure it's gonna be fun. She's actually never been. None of my friends have ever been either. So we're gonna go swing off of it and hopefully do some free diving. Be a good day. It's kind of cloudy today. The weather's not too nice, but it doesn't really matter because it's gonna be fun either way. So let's do it. What is happening right now?
A flood.
It's like a flash flood, girl. Look at that road right there. That's like a river.
Oh my god! I don't think we should be swimming today.
Geez. So the storm has come. It's pretty intense right now. We just heard lightning. You're probably not gonna go out until this clears up. There's a massive river right here though. Yeah, let's go. Look at me get the river.
I will. Oh my god, that scared me.
There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at that car.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
What was that?
That was a curb.
You didn't see the curb? Oh my god.
That was like up to my hood. Oh jeez. Oh my god, there's so much floating out there. We should go snorkeling in there. This is ridiculous. That guy should probably move his car.
I know.
It's gonna get flooded out.
It is. Look at that.
That's ridiculous.
It's drowning.
Go. Oh my god. I can't see. Oh my god. Oh no, we gotta
Oh my god, no.
We gotta park. Oh
No.
my god. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Murph! No! Bro, what happened? What happened, bro? I can't even get out. Oh my god.
How do I get out of this?
I don't know, dude. Your car won't start?
No.
Oh shit. I think
Oh shit.
you can't open the door, bro. You're in water right. Oh my god. Are you guys good? Are you good, bro?
There's a curve here. I think we're okay. We're good.
Oh shit, man.
Your bumper's gone. Oh shit, I should probably get that.
You got his bumper. So what was the mindset?
We saw a puddle and we were just gonna send it, but we went 0 to 100 real fast.
I think you guys sent it a little too much, man, because then you missed it on bumper. Murphy, go get it!
It's deep.
Wheel is completely covered.
It's really deep. I opened the door.
Dude,
and
the car's gonna start flooding out. Dude, it's already flooding out. Look at the floor.
It is. I know. It's flooding out, dude. Look at that. It's flooding.
Murph, what's that, bro? I think that's the skin. Oh yeah, God, man. Well, I don't know what to tell you guys.
This is bad.
Oh man. But
it's flooding.
Was it worth it?
Dude, it's flooding.
I gotta push this bitch, huh?
Dude, this thing's flooding. Yeah. Should I get out here?
Just keep pushing her.
I got you. I got
Just keep steering. It's like
it's in neutral.
Oh my god. Welcome to Guam, Murphy.
Dude, this is... what the fuck happened? That was bad.
Yeah, I knew as soon as you guys took off.
We have a foot of water in here. We have a foot of water.
Yeah, that's more than a foot. Oh man. Dude, you guys sent it though.
It's a rental, so I mean.
There she goes. It's gonna empty out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car, guys.
You fucked up.
We'll go for a ride. Oh, Murph. So, I thought it'd be a good idea to just send it to this puddle right here. And obviously, it didn't work out too well for him. The car is like submerged right now. There's no way he's getting out of there. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna give the camera to Michelle. Alright, honestly, Murphy, though, what was going through your mind when you went through that puddle?
Filming right now. I was influenced by Jake Langner and no idea what you're talking about.
Not even close.
So the puddle was only about 5 times deeper than we thought it would be. The video. You want to see the video of the moment of impact?
Oh, you have the impact one?
You need to show
the
You
POV.
gotta show the camera.
The POV.
I'm in. You lost your bumper.
Oh my god.
That was pretty
You're the devil, dude. Alright, so lessons learned. What did you guys learn today?
Don't listen to Jake.
One, never listen to Jake. He never has any good ideas.
That was the best idea.
I mean, it was
Hey,
like,
look at this. Look at this.
Is it filming right
Look
now?
at this, dude.
yeah, we're filming right now.
Lesson today, children. Get insurance on your rental cars.
Always get insurance. Because you never know when your friend is gonna influence you to drive into a 4-foot puddle that you don't know where it
What were you guys thinking when you just saw us that moment?
No, we just saw the car. We saw you guys going. I think we stopped. And it just keeps going. We're like, no, there's no way. It's like,
Oh my god.
I had no clue. I thought it was like a foot deep.
I only knew you guys were when you stopped. When the car stopped, I was like,
The
yeah,
reason it
it's
stopped
over.
gets serious art for your
Let's get some snacks. I'm hungry and thirsty.
All right, guys, enough talking, enough sidebars. We're actually gonna go head out now. Obviously, I don't have a waterproof housing for this yet, and I'm not gonna bring it in the water because it's not waterproof. It's, yeah, but I'm gonna bring the GoPro today. We'll get some underwater footage and hopefully some good shots of us doing flips and stuff. What do you think, Murph?
Let's go.
Excited to do some flips?
Flips.
Flips.
Not crashing cars and puddles.
Yeah. Ready, dude? I like the dad shorts. Looking good.
I rock these.
He rocks them every
I ain't giving up, I ain't giving in. I don't need your love, I don't need a thing. Go do ya, I'ma do me. I don't give a fuck if you ain't on my team.
Well, guys, the car is running. That's it's good news. So Murphy can actually get home now. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
I say we go get some food. We're gonna wait for this to finish itself. Rope swing is pretty cool. The only shitty thing is we couldn't actually get the rope down because someone tied a knot in it and threw it out there. It looks good. We just need to go back another time with a better plan. We tried to climb up and actually like jig a little bit and get it off, but just the way it was like, the way it is up there, it's really steep and kind of hard to get up to, so we just kind of bailed out. I think next time we'll come up with a better plan to get up there and actually wiggle it loose. Glad the car's running, bro. It looks bad.
We don't know yet.
Hi, Michelle.
Bye.
Hi.
Wait, don't.
Give it a little test run, Murph. See what she can do. Oh, you're good. You're so good.
That did not sound good.
Nah, probably not.
It went boom, boom, boom.
There they go. It's backfiring.
Really?
Oh, what'd you think
What?
of the rope swing and of the car incident?
The car incident? I feel bad, but it's their fault.
It's true, it is kind of their fault.
The rope swing, the water was really rough,
It was pretty rough today.
so couldn't really do much, but that's cool.
Be better next time.
Yep.
Well, guys, what's the verdict?
She's toast.
She's toast. No bueno. Are you okay? You gonna be all right? You wanna cry a little bit?
Got insurance, dude. So it's gonna work.
Rest in peace, Hyundai Sonata. What is it? Is it a Sonata?
It's a Hyundai Accent.
Rest in peace, Hyundai Accent. Well, how do you do that, bro? That was sick, bro. That was lit, dude. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys enjoyed watching us try to go to the rope swing. I know we failed, but maybe next time we'll actually get to go and maybe we'll fix it. We gotta get working on that, but it's gonna take a little bit. So bear with me. I just want to take a minute to thank all you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. It actually motivates me as a creator to keep going out and doing stuff too. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate the positive feedback I've been getting from you guys. So I hope you keep watching. If you didn't like it, then I mean, you can give it a thumbs down if you want, but I'm gonna still make videos either way. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to, I mean, it's up to you. There's a little button. Obviously, I'm sure you know how to subscribe to a channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, SimpleJake13. I'll put my account down in the description. I'll also put it right here if you want to check it out. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Take it easy.